Hey everyone, I'm Matt Dolan with Dolan Divorce Lawyers, the largest family law firm here in Connecticut, and today I'm going to talk about legal separation in Connecticut Family Court. What it is, how it works, and how it's different from divorce. A lot of people think legal separation is just a lighter version of divorce, and that is not true. In Connecticut, legal separation is a formal court process, and in many ways, it looks almost identical to divorce. Under Connecticut law, legal separation is handled in the Connecticut Superior Court, specifically in the Family Division. Now, when you file for a legal separation, you go through the same court system as you would for a divorce. You file similar paperwork, you disclose your finances, and the court can issue orders about things like custody, parenting schedules, child support, alimony, division of property, health insurance, and division of debts. So in other words, the court will enter full financial and parenting orders just like they would in a divorce. The only real difference between a legal separation and a divorce is that with a legal separation, you cannot remarry because you are technically still married, but with court-ordered financial and custody arrangements in place. So functionally, the court orders can look almost identical, but your marital status remains intact. So why would someone choose legal separation over a divorce? There are a few common reasons. First, religious. Some people have a religious objection to divorce, but they still need formal financial or parenting orders. Or in some cases, one spouse may remain on the other's employer-provided health insurance plan if they are legally separated, though this depends entirely on the insurance policy, and it's more and more rare that the insurance carrier will let non-working spouses remain on the policy if the parties are legally separated. Now, a legal separation can turn into a divorce. Under Connecticut law, after a judgment of legal separation has entered, either party can later ask the court to convert it into a divorce. You don't start over from scratch, you just file a motion to convert the legal separation into a dissolution of marriage, and the court enters a divorce judgment, typically incorporating the prior separation agreement or orders into the divorce judgment. So is the legal separation process easier than divorce? Not really. In Connecticut, the grounds are still the same, usually irretrievable breakdown of the relationship. The financial affidavits are the same, financial discovery is the same, settlement negotiations are the same, and you can still have a trial with a legal separation if you cannot reach an agreement. So from a procedural standpoint, legal separation is not a shortcut around divorce litigation. So those are the basics on legal separation here in Connecticut. Generally speaking, a legal separation almost never makes sense for a separating couple, and that couple should instead pursue a divorce. So as usual, if you have any additional questions about this or any other issue, you can contact our office. And if you're looking for representation in a divorce or family law matter here in Connecticut, we would invite you to contact our office as well.